Okay, this is a short video of my Saturday morning breakfast. I just make some Jamaican spinach, which is callaloo, and I'm making eggs over here, and then I'm gonna add them together. So Jamaican spinach, which is callaloo, but if you ask Google what's the name of Jamaican spinach, they'll tell you that it's callaloo. Over here, I'm boiling some eggs. Then I'm going to combine both of them. And what's in this pan is saltfish, pepper, onion, thyme, tomato, and what was the other thing that I put in there? Mushroom. And it's absolutely pretty. Look at that. With butter and coconut oil. It's cooking down. Really nice. Alright, look how pretty it is. Now I'm gonna have the eggs to it. So you just boil the eggs, you cut up your onion, your scallion, your onion, thyme, tomato, mushroom, a little garlic, a piece of saltfish, like a couple of ounces of saltfish, and you combine them together with your tomato and everything. Put some coconut oil in the pot, pour it in, stir it a little bit, then you add the callaloo to it and let it steam down. Boil the egg over here in a separate pot. Then you peel the eggs off. You get the shell off the eggs, and then you add everything in, and it's an absolutely beautiful, complete breakfast. People who are staying away from a lot of carbs, this is a beautiful breakfast to have, because you get everything in there.